When we think of our favorite athletes, we often envision them as flawless, superhuman, always at the top of the game. But behind the scenes, they're a lot like us. They sweat, they strain, and sometimes they produce not so elegant facial expressions during competition. And this can lead to photos that are not so flattering, which most athletes understand, recognize, and accept. However, some athletes are not so accepting, especially when you're talking about high school, junior high, middle school, rec league. Those type of athletes, they really are concerned about their image and how it looks to the outside world. Here's a real life example. What you're looking at is a basic rebounding image. I took this image and then shared it on social media with the thought of potentially, making some photo sales after the game. Then, a few hours after the game, I received this from the girl who's in the image. I see nothing unflattering about the image at all. It's just somebody going for a hard rebound, and that's just how you look when you're going for a hard rebound. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you consider this an unflattering image or not. I do my best not to post images I feel might be considered embarrassing, but sometimes what I consider not embarrassing or not unflattering is not seen the same way by the athlete. But I feel in a world so focused on perfection, unflattering images, if you want to call them that, offer a different perspective. They challenge our notion of what it is to be perfect, reminding us that greatness doesn't come from flawless execution alone. Instead, it's the ability to push through adversity, embrace imperfection, and keep striving for excellence that truly sets athletes apart. So the next time you come across a photo that might be considered unflattering, don't just scroll past it or swipe past it. Embrace it for what it is, a moment of unfiltered, unapologetic authenticity. Another topic that ties in very closely to this is whether or not you should photograph injured players. I talk about that in this video right here.